Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a lovely start to your day. Today we're doing a Disney Amazon haul. So this is going to be everything I ordered from Amazon for my upcoming Disney trip. I'm so excited for this trip and I cannot wait to show you everything that I got. If you enjoyed this video while you're watching, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, so before we start, I want to start with a brief disclosure because this is not like an Amazon Disney Essentials list. This is very much tailored to my trip, but I do think a lot of these things will help a lot of families, which is why I am sharing them today. This first product is specifically for me. This is a aux cord. So I got this aux cord specifically for my headphones. The flight I'm taking has like those in-flight movies where you can like plug your headphones into the back of the seat so you can watch something. Mine actually ended up breaking, so that's why these are coming in handy. For reference, I have the Sony headphones that always come with me on vacations, no matter how short or how long the flight is, these bad boys are coming with me. So very excited to be able to use these again on the flight. This next product I picked up is a Philips Go Zero everyday bottle with an everyday filter attachment. So personally, I don't like the tap water at Disney. I do think it tastes a little bit swampy, a little bit strange for me. And I definitely do not want to keep purchasing Dasani water bottles because they are very expensive. So I actually had a Brita water bottle, but it actually ended up breaking. So I figured I'd give this Philips one a try. It was also less expensive on Amazon than the Brita, so I highly recommend trying this one out if the Brita didn't work out for you. I'll let you know how it goes in the description box below on my trip. Leaving for my trip here shortly, so I'm hoping this works out well. For reference, my mom and my sister will both be using this water bottle or something similar to this water bottle on the trip as well. I don't know why, the water just kind of gives us sometimes upset stomachs, so just happy to have this. The next two products are similar and address the same concern, that Florida heat. I personally love the heat, but walking around all day in the sun is a lot. And it gets really, really hot. I did check the weather for our upcoming vacation and it's supposed to be anywhere from 96 to about 90 degrees at the height of the day. So it's definitely gonna be toasty. So I think these water mister fans are going to come in super handy. This is the first one. It remains upright and has the water fill at the top. I did see on the back that it can actually sit on a table as well. And then I did end up getting a second one. So this is a little handheld one. It's definitely smaller than that first one, but it also comes with a neck piece, so you can hang it around your neck just in case, and it's pretty lightweight. So I think this is gonna be good to have in that Florida heat, Florida sun. Again, do I think this is an essential? You can probably do something very similar with like a wet napkin across like the back of your neck, but it might be nice to have a fan. This next product definitely falls into the non-essential Disney category. It is a pack of 207-piece glow sticks. This is fun for the kids, especially at night during fireworks. It's fun to just kind of give them something that lights up. I know Disney sells a ton of products that light up and do all sorts of fun, cool things that kids will have around, especially at night. But I think this will be like a fun little treat to have just for the kids to make them feel a little special. There's like a flower, bracelet, some sunglasses, a daisy. So I think this will be fun. For reference, I'm going with two 8-ish-year-olds who are cousins and one baby. So the baby's probably not gonna play with these, but the kids I think will. And any extras we can just donate to a parent who would like. Now the complete opposite, this is an item that I would almost say is absolutely essential to any Disney trip. It is any sort of power bank for your phone. Your phone will run out of charge so fast at Disney. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because I'm using Genie Plus all day. I don't know if it's because I'm using my camera or what, but my battery does not last at Disney. Even with a fully charged phone and a power bank, I still need to charge up at some point during the day. So for me personally, and I think for most families, at least one power bank per family is absolutely essential. I have an older one that I've used in past trips, and I'm using this newer one as well because there's more of us going. So I highly recommend investing in just one power bank at minimum. This one had a lot of reviews on it, so I'll link it down below if you're interested, but definitely a must need in Disney, in my humble opinion. If you do find yourself in need of some sort of charging station or like a portable charger while you're at Disney, there are fuel rods. They are more expensive to buy them at the parks, but once you use one up, you just exchange it out for another. So once that initial investment is done, you just exchange it out for a new, fresh, fully charged rod. And I will say they're not fantastic, like they're not going to charge your phone fully, but they will get you through if you just need a little something till the end of the day. Pro tip, just buy the power bank. You will save so much money. This next product is pretty personal. It's the Earplanes Plus. So I get the worst pain when I fly, specifically on the descent. I don't know what it is. It's the pressure. No matter what I do, my ears just won't pop and they just hurt so bad, and it'll last almost a full day. So once I started using these and putting like my headphones over it, it was gone. So highly recommend, if you have like airplane discomfort, check these out. They have a lot of really good reviews on Amazon. They're available at Target. They're even available at some airports. I've been able to pick it up if I wasn't able to pick it up beforehand. So definitely go check these out. It saved me so many times from just discomfort and all the things. So cannot say enough good things about these guys right here. Another great item to pick up from Amazon is a pack of family rain ponchos. This pack in particular comes with 3 kids ponchos and 3 adult ponchos. I ended up actually picking up 2 because they just come in handy all the time. They're single use. They are very expensive in the parks, and I'd just rather have them on me. They're pretty small and compact to fit in your park bag, but overall, these are great, and you can always save them for another trip, or maybe you go camping, or it's nice to just have these on hand even if it doesn't rain during your trip. Now this item I did not pick up in this Amazon haul, but I have gotten it from Amazon in the past. It's this little phone holder, and it might look familiar because it's been super viral on TikTok and Instagram. You can use this for so many different things. You can clip it onto the back of the seat tray if you don't have like a screen to watch movies, and just put your phone up there and either you or your kids can watch movies, and it just kind of holds your phone for you. It's a really versatile piece. It can move in like 100 different directions. So if you need to set something down, or if you just want it to hold your phone for a little bit, if a little one is watching the phone, whatever it may be, content creation, because like selfie sticks and things of that nature are not allowed inside of the Disney parks. So this has just come in handy more times than I can count. It's little, it was pretty affordable on Amazon, and honestly, it's so small and compact. You can fit it in any park bag. It's just a nice to have. All right, friends, well, that is everything I got from Amazon. I know this was a little bit of a lighter haul, but that's kind of the point. I just wanted to get like the bare necessities that are needed for the trip. I don't think we need anything over the top. I don't even think a lot of these are essentials. I just think a lot of these products are nice to have. If I were to choose like my top 3 like most essential Disney trip items, I would definitely choose the power bank, the poncho, and the water bottle. Let me know down below, what do you always order for every trip, not just Disney, but to any park? I'm so curious. I would love to know your thoughts, comments, and feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed while you're watching, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I hope you have a magical rest of your week, and I will see you all later. Bye.